The Food and Drug Administration has placed a ban on red dye number 3 in all foods and medications.
And WSAZ's Lisa Feinstein talked to a local doctor for some insight on this ban.
What do candy, bacon bits, frosting, and hot dogs all have in common? They're all made with synthetic food coloring, red dye 3. Well, that will soon be changing as the FDA has issued a ban on red dye number 3.
Any type of dye that's in a food or a cosmetic or a drug is tested by the FDA, and they have a rule that if a food has been shown to be carcinogenic or can cause cancer in people or animals, that it should be removed from the market.
Dr. Cyrus Hageron with Valley Health says the FDA first brought up concerns about the dye in a study in the 1980s.
This chemical or food additive was given in high doses to rodents, and it stimulated growth of thyroid tumors or thyroid cancer.
Hageron says it's important to note none of the studies so far have shown red dye is cancerous to humans.
I think it's kind of being highlighted in a bit of a misleading light, because there are still things that we know, such as alcohol and cigarettes, that cause cancer that aren't banned. But this food coloring has come up now as this thing.
Red dye 3 is found in foods high in sugar like cereal, sports drinks, cake mix, and sprinkles.
And as far as if you're kind of pulling those out of your diet more so and eating more whole foods that are more nutrient dense, helping you feel full longer and have more energy and stuff like that, you'd probably feel better from that rather than just focusing on the dye element in and of itself.
Like most chemical additives, Dr. Hageron says it's all about moderation and a lifestyle that prioritizes eating healthy foods to feel your best. Lisa Feinstein, WSAZ.
The FDA says red dye 3 must be removed from all foods by the year of 2027. It's also an ingredient in some medications, and drug manufacturers now have until January 28th to remove it from their products.